Hey, Gay Puppy here, Caffeine BS for August 23rd, 2019. I'm celebrating because Emma of Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop watched one of my videos and actually made a comment. That's how I know she watched it. About fell out my chair. But, the chair's so comfortable it's hard to fall out of it. Into, but not out of. Swamp is finally fixed. It's comfortable in here. And now I have to think about what to do for the channel. I gotta come up with a project. I mean, anyone want to see me add a 30 amp deep cycle battery to a uninterruptible power supply? One of those ones that's like the size of a box of pair of work boots come in. One of them. I forget the brand name. If I did, I'd probably curse them for their greed. Anyway, anyone want to see how you attach a 30 amp deep cycle battery to one of them? See how long that'll run your computer and your monitor and the modem? Down here in the comments. On your computer up here, notifications, comment, notify, let me know. Can't work in a vacuum here.